In this video, we're going to look at the concept of percentage yield for chemistry. After going through this video, you will learn or understand how to do basic calculations involving percentage yield for chemistry. So ensure you stay at the very end of this video. Okay, so you're looking at percentage yield. All right, now note that percentage yield compares actual and theoretical yield. Okay, now let's look at the formula for calculating percentage yield. All right, so for percentage yield, the formula for it, we have it to be mass of product actually made right over maximum theoretical mass of products. Theoretical mass of products right times 100 over 1. Okay, now note that percentage yield is always somewhere between 0 and 100%. 100% yield means that you got all the product you expected to get. Okay, whereas 0% yield means that no reactants were converted into products. That is, no product at all was made. Okay, so take note of this. Again, note that the unit here is in gram. The unit here is also what? Gram. Alright, so the unit is in gram for mass of product actually made and maximum theoretical mass of products. Both units are in what? Gram. Okay. Now this maximum theoretical mass of products is just the maximum theoretical yield. Alright, so they are the same thing. Okay. Now, having known this, let's look at this typical question under percentage yield and solve it together so that you will understand how to apply it to this formula. Let's wipe this. Okay guys, now let's look at this question. It says a student carries out the following reaction. Zinc reacts with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid to give zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. She calculates that her maximum theoretical yield of zinc chloride is 2.72 gram. The actual yield after purification is 2.31 gram. Calculate the percentage yield of zinc chloride. Okay, this is very simple, guys. Just apply the formula. Percentage yield equals mass of product actually made. Okay, which is 2.31. All right, the actual yield after purification is 2.31. Okay, over the maximum theoretical mass of product, which is 2.72. Our maximum theoretical yield of zinc chloride is this, times 100 over 1. So let me punch this on my calculator and see what it's going to give me. Okay, so I have the output to be 84.9264. You keep having recurring decimals, but let's leave it at 3 significant figures. So this is going to be 84.9%. Okay, now note that this result we have is our yield. Our percentage yield is what? 84.9%. Okay, so basically the more reactants you start with, the higher the actual yield will be. It's as simple as that. Okay, but percentage yield doesn't depend on the amount of reactants you start with, since it's in percentage. Take note of this. Okay, basically percentage yield tells us about the overall success of our experiment. Alright, so it compares what we think we should get theoretical yield with what we get in practice. That's the actual yield. Okay, so that's the basic or general information you have to know about percentage yield for your chemistry. Now I just take notes of this formula and you'll be good to go. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Now if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below. You see link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more videos like this, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you have learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding this topic for chemistry, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. And click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.